Hey guys, so today I'm gonna do the oil change on my Bentley. It's Bentley Continental GT Coupe. So I got the car high enough for me to fit under and get my work done. That's the oil I got. Mobile 1 0W40. I need 14 quarts. I bought 15 because that's how they sell. And the filter I got it from the straight from the dealer. And we gotta change the drainage bolt too. So the filter cost me with a bolt $56. The oil I paid 145 because I had to buy this socket. I need the 36mm socket because I don't have one. So the total it's like $201 for everything, which is way better than going to the dealer and paying $800 for oil change on a Bentley. That's the tools you're gonna need. You'll need the screwdriver and minus and down at the star to pull this bottom plastic from the bottom. It only has like this kind of little screws. And then you'll need the socket, 3/4 socket for the drainage bolt. Which you're gonna find it over here. That's the drainage bolt over here. And on this side will be the filter. And this is where you put your socket from over there to pull the filter out. Drainage bolt. Couple things before you let the oil go. You gotta undo the cap. That way there is no pressure suction, so all the oil just leaks down. And then under the filter you need to have something because there's gonna be more oil leak. And then another thing, make sure your pen is big enough because there's gonna be a lot of oil going down. So looks like we're ready. Oops. I didn't plan for that. So the reason I'm changing the bolt too, because look how this one is all straight over here. It's like one-time use, because that's the old one. It's all bent and stuff. I don't know if you can see it, but I wouldn't use this again. Yeah, that's the new one. Better to change. Okay. So I pulled the old filter out, put a new one in. Just want to show the bottom. It's a little bigger than the top. The old one, it's over here. And then when you put this filter in, you think it's down, it's not. You'll hear when it pops in. That's it. Now it's good. I also changed this gasket. It's over here. It comes with a filter. This is good to go. So that's the fun part. New oil goes in. I covered, make sure there's no little drops on the engine. Keep that thing clean. Okay, so I'll put 2 on the third one. I'm gonna stop. That's 1 quart because it takes 14 and we have 15 and 3 of them. I'll stop some a little bit more than leaving 1/4, and then I'll keep checking the dipstick and stop when I think it's good. Maximum over here. So if it goes down like this, I'll stop somewhere over here. This is where the dipstick goes, and here. So it's almost by the cap right there. After that, everything is good. Don't forget to put the bolt on the bottom, the filter, because it's gonna leak everything down. Which everything it's in, even the plastic on the bottom. So I'm done with the oil. Now we're gonna do the reset, oil change reset. So I'm gonna put the key in. That's it, just put it in. Don't put it on or nothing, just put it in and wait. Now I'm gonna press the trip button, and then I'm gonna put the key on. Now you'll see the service reset, and I'll press OK. It's gone. That was simple. Wow, that was the changing oil on the Bentley. I think that was pretty easy and simple, especially now if you have a video to watch. No more service lights. Everything looks clean, nice. Now my car is still on the ramps. Before I go down, not to scratch the bumper, just a reminder, you have a button over here that shows you that's normal. You want to go too high. Don't you see how your car drops or goes up? Yeah, go too high. That way when you get down the ramps, you'll not scratch your bumper. On top of that, I also put some wood. And after this, it's good to go.